Hello investors, it's Paul Jamison again for your property management moment. I'm the owner of the Jamison Real Estate Team, Jamison Property Management, and Jamison Property Investments. Let's talk again today about how to set your rent. Last time we talked about using days on market. This time let's talk about number of bathrooms and number of bedrooms and how that affects your rent. If you have an additional bedroom as compared to the other rental comparisons you're using, you can add $100 to $150 to your rental amount. If you have a half bath additional, that's another $25, or a full bath is worth $50. So make those adjustments to your rent, and that's a pretty good measure to make sure you're where you should be. If you have any questions, call us at 846-DONE, 846-3663. Look forward to next time.